Hello everyone, welcome to my program. My name is Dr. Lee. I come from Bukit Mentajam, the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia, and now I'm staying in Johor, in the southern part of Peninsular Malaysia. I'm staying in a town called Kluang. So welcome everyone to my channel, to my program. I'm now, as you know, uploading my book, Dr. Lee's Method. I'm now doing this. Before, I was doing this. So this whole book, every question, every chapter of this book, 38 different topics all together, all grammar, is already in my channel. You can watch. And now I'm doing this. I'm uploading this. This book has 40 topics, 40 chapters or 40 lessons if you like. And now we are at lesson 37, video number 3, which is the last. After this video, after now, I will be doing lesson 38. And we are actually coming to the very end of this book because this book has 40 lessons altogether. The only difference is that level 1 and level 2. The only difference is that this book is, the questions are more difficult than this book. Okay, harder. And there are only 2 new lessons, 2 new topics. All these 38 topics, level 1, are here. I add 2. Why? Because even if you learn all grammar, complete everything about grammar, I think I see that there are not even more than 60. So every new book I just need to add 2. So I keep adding only. But the basic, the foundation of this grammar, 38 lessons, will be in every book. So my third book, level 3, is more difficult than level 2. And I add 2 new topics, 42 topics altogether, because this is 40. All these 40 topics will be in book 3. Add 2 new topics, so 42 altogether. So you may want to know why. How come? How come level 1, the topics are in level 3? Well, the questions are more difficult. The questions are not the same. But most important is, do not think that what you learn in primary school, in secondary school, you don't have to learn. Don't ever think like this. Because grammar is something that you accumulate. Primary school you learn, secondary school you learn again. Just like primary school, the most basic, and the. Primary school, the most basic, and the. After that, in, on, under, over, for, from, by. And then harder, join 2 sentences together. And then question was who, when, why, how, what. All these are learned in primary school. Now tell me, your experience. You are in secondary school, let us say, or you were in secondary school. Did you have to learn all this? And the in secondary school, or you say, oh, primary school I have learned, therefore I don't have to learn. No, you still have to learn. Whether you are in primary school, secondary school, or university. Of course, in university, no one is going to teach you and the. You are asking for the impossible. If you say, well, I want to learn English grammar, oh, sorry. What you learn in primary and secondary school, now you have to apply in your speaking, in your writing. And then you go out to work. You need to send emails, you need to write letters, you need to receive emails, you need to talk to customers, you need to talk to your business associates, the bank, and so on. When you speak or when you write emails, do you have to use grammar, and the? Do you have to use in, on, under, over, for, from, by? Do you have to use who, when, why, what, how? Do you have to? You have to, yes. That means to say, what I'm doing is what I'm telling you now. I'm concentrating on the main topics, and I bring you forward with more challenging questions and ensuring that you still maintain what you have to learn basic. It's not called basic actually, because when I say the word basic, people usually think that, oh, it is very easy. When I say basic, people start thinking it is ABC. So I won't use the word basic. I would use the main topics. The main topics. That will be better. Okay? That will bring you, that will lead you to understand that I'm not teaching, well, I'm teaching basic of course, but I want to let you know that it is not the basic that people think. People tend to think that basic means ABC 1, 2, 3. Actually, it's not. Actually, what I want to say is that the main topics will be, I will bring forward in every book. So my book 3 is already written, but only halfway. I can't find the time. That is why now I'm pushing myself to finish this first. Once I have finished this, then I can start doing my book. So no choice. I have to sacrifice something, If I write my book, I can't do my videos. If I do my videos, I can't do my book. So it's, I have to sacrifice. Alright. Lesson 37, short forms, page 120, if you have this book. Okay, page 120. I have to refer to the book because I need to read the sentences which are not not written on the whiteboard. Page 120. This is the full form. Full form means the word is written one word. And then we'll change it from 2 words to become 1, and we call it the short form. So remember that we use this full form, okay, like I shall, I will, for formal writing, for formal speaking. You are on the stage speaking, you use full form. But you're talking to your friends or your, like SPM and this Moet paper, you write emails. You need to reply to an email. That you can use short form. Speaking, of course, short form. To your friends, short form. But if you use the full form, are you going to be wrong in doing so? No, it's not wrong. If you use the full form, it's okay, no problem. That means to tell you that actually using the full form is okay for everything, for any situation. But short form, you have a limit. You don't use this to write to government bodies, or you write to organizations on your business letters. You don't do that. Okay? So the first one, you can look here. I shall becomes I'll. He has become his. It is become its. You will become you'll. I have becomes I've. Where has become west. I will becomes I'll. Where has become west. Who has become whose. Let us read the question. Number 1. I shall inform all the members about the meeting tomorrow. So the answer, I shall becomes I'll. So answer, I'll inform all the members about the meeting tomorrow. Number 2. He has gone for a camping trip with his classmates. He has, the short form is his. So the answer would be, he's gone for a camping trip with his classmates. Number 3. It is raining heavily outside, so the children must stay indoors. Answer. It is become its. So answer, it's raining heavily outside, so the children must stay indoors. Number 4. You will have a great time at Aman's birthday party tomorrow. You will becomes you'll. Answer, you'll have a great time at Aman's birthday party tomorrow. Number 5. I have becomes I've. So I have eaten a piece of bread and drank a cup of coffee. Answer, I've eaten a piece of bread and drank a cup of coffee. Where has David put all the books? Where has become West? Answer, where's David put all the books? I will go to the village to visit my grandparents next Sunday. I will becomes I'll, short form. So I'll go to the village to visit my grandparents next Sunday. Where has our little kitten gone to? Where has becomes where's. Answer. Where's our little kitten gone to? Who has become whose? Who has eaten all the rambutans in the basket? Answer. Who's eaten all the rambutans in the basket? Exercise 6. Exercise 6. I give you the short form, you write the full form. That means I give you one word, you write 2 words. Okay? So, there's, there is. She's, she is. It's, it is. We are, we are. He'll, he will. They've, they have. She'll, she will. I'm, I am. The question. Number 1. There's. Answer, there is. So there's someone standing outside Raman's house. Answer, there is someone standing outside Raman's house. Number 2. She's going to plant some vegetables behind her house. She's becomes she is. So answer, she is going to plant some vegetables behind her house. It's going to rain as the sky is very dark. It's become it is. So your answer would be, it is going to rain as the sky is very dark. We are going to Johor Bahru with our parents during the holidays. We are going. Answer, the full form. We are going to Johor Bahru with our parents during the holidays. Number 5. He'll ride his new bicycle when he comes home from school. He'll ride. He'll becomes he will. So the answer would be, he will ride his new bicycle when he comes home from school. They've, question, they've seen that interesting movie already. They've changed to the full form, they have. Answer, they have seen that interesting movie already. Number 7, she'll becomes she will. That question, she'll be buying some new clothes for herself during the sale. Answer, she will. She will buy some new clothes for herself during the sale. I'm giving my old laptop to my cousin. I becomes I am. So answer, I am giving my new laptop, my old laptop to my cousin. So that's all. Lesson 37, the last video. So please give me a like, share and subscribe. And if you are interested to buy my books, either level 1, level 2 or both, please go to my please WhatsApp to me. Yeah. Okay, WhatsApp to me and I'll arrange for the books to be sent to you. And if you are interested to learn speaking or oral English, please go to my TikTok or my Instagram. I have lessons over there. So you can attend my classes just by watching and then learning at the same time. And as I mentioned earlier, practically all videos I have been mentioning this thing. If you have groups of people, especially if you are school teachers, you have students who are interested to know certain parts of English which they are poor in. Alright, for example, essay writing, how to reply to emails, relating to their exams, or even speaking, the methods, or people who are working, emails, business letters, business speaking. You can WhatsApp to me and arrange, and I can go over to your place to conduct the classes, maybe 1 or 2 weeks. But of course, number 1, there must be enough people, and number 2, you have to pay for the classes. That means you have to pay fees for me to attend your classes, to teach you in your classes, not attend. And if you have a few friends or a class of people, just one group, or just yourself or some individuals who are your friends but they like to learn individually, same, just WhatsApp to me. So if small groups or individuals, I can always conduct classes online. Okay, like what I'm doing now, the only thing is you can actually talk to me, whereas now you're just watching and listening. Okay, I do conduct classes online, and you can WhatsApp to me and arrange classes with me. I use Zoom. Okay, my online classes. I think you still can learn, nothing wrong with that. Okay, so that's all for now. I will see you again in my next video, which is lesson 38. Okay, 39, 40, that's the end. I will close the curtain after that. Okay, so thank you for watching. I will see you again. Remember to give me a like, share and subscribe.